So for this lesson now, wetin I wan handle be say na how to do wetin, how to put data inside the table. Remember say last time na wetin we do for na just to create the table. So e just be like say we get one room now for inside our building, maybe our 2-bedroom flat or 3-bedroom flat of our self-contained or whatsoever, you get me? Yeah. Now for inside that this thing don't cause issue now. Okay, might just see how to run and make it. Okay, yeah, okay, so I have an error, so we don't really run am. If I just want to make sure say the thing clean because I mistakenly go do this thing. So now we'll continue from where I did go to before. So like I started talk before, we say when you come from inside your room now, if I thought say na 2-bedroom flat or 1 room, now you know say for that room now you get chair, you get table. So now wetin we dey try wan do now, we wan put data inside this table. We wan pass in values for this player name, position, and as well tribe, and again this player ID. And how do they put this data for inside the table? We dey use insert into. So how we take run am? Since our table dey empty now, we'll add player inside. We just do insert into. So this is not the command that we say we dey use. Say insert into, there you can call the table name football team. You get me? Football team. Then you can start to passing those feed or say variable name. We get player ID. Now comma. Then you can say player name, comma. Then you can say position, comma. Then tribe. So all this now the feed when we say we got pass values to. Then you can cover them. Then you can say space. Then you can say values. So which values won't pass to all these, to this player ID? First value what we need to pass and a value for this within this player ID. So say you can put bracket now, say 1, then comma, then player name now. So for this player name now, we can put a name like Tunde. You can do one. You see that single quote or double quote. If now double quote, you want use comma. Now based on say now varchar we use now. Remember say now varchar which is text, not text. So you know the accept number. What is the accept now characters which would they see for here now as Tunde. If you remember our previous lesson that time, so now make a put on like this in double quotes because it gives you the call strange. So strange now something we they enclose them like they put them inside double quotes. Now make I put that word Tunde inside double quotes. Now the next one now also now still position, and again it's still waiting now varchar, the same thing with tribe. So those ones will they carry that double quotes. So the next thing now position to say striker, comma. I feel break this thing for here. Okay, I still don't enter all. I just continue to the type and they go like that. So after striker, the next thing I to do it to enter the tribe. Can't say the tribe now, Yoruba. You get me? So the next way you do now do it to cover, and then you can't end up with waiting the semicolon. Then after you don't end down with semicolon, you can't do it, you can't press enter key. So you see say they correct, you say query okay, one row affected. And if you remember now, or if you remember well, like back then, we say to see all those things, like to see all those things, so say they inside the table now, it says select all. Get that symbol, this symbol, asterisk, select all from waiting from the table name, and the table name now waiting football team. So you say select all the children, everything when they inside, and make you do it in display and give us. Now if I do, so you see I'm now, you don't give us player ID, say 1, player name will get Tunde, position, striker, tribe, Yoruba. So you see say the data so we don't enter now. It don't enter for the table. Shey they see am now and they display for us for here. They show abi. They show. So wetin dey there be say you try for your own side, make you see say the thing they work. And then any error here will know how to tackle them. So not to just stop for this particular one record where we don't add, so we would like add more, and we just do it like this: insert into the same pattern of insert into, then the table name football team, can say player ID, comma, player name, comma, position, comma, tribe, conclusion. Then you can say values. Then this one won't pass. The values now are 2, comma, you can say Emeka, comma, then say the position I waiting move, say na goalkeeper. Comma, then the tribe now waiting na Igbo, Omo Igbo. Sure, you get me? They'll do it like this, cover them. They'll say comma, then might just hit enter so that the thing will open again. Then I come again, I come pass another one, I'll say 3, which is the player ID, the number now. They will come again. You can say Aisha, which is the name. Then the position you can say na defender. Then comma, you can say the tribe now waiting na Hausa. She they fill am, they come comma. So if you look now, we try one passing plenty values at once. No one just put only one alone like what you do on the first time for here. You get me? So if you see now, I don't pass in this one, then I come after I don't end them, I can't do comma, can't do another one. I don't add this one, I can't comma. So now the next one now, I can't say I can't open this bracket again now. I can't say 4, comma, and why they put 4, now they put in double quote, be say na integer. She remember when they define them that time, na int here, see am for here, int, so na number, whole number, integer. So the next one now we'll pass in say a full sir now, comma, then we'll come say position will be midfielder, comma, then we'll say tribe now Benin, say na Benin person. For if you just put a Benin, I just do one like this, Benin as tribe. I just so the tribe will be. We cannot go spell the full. Okay. Anyway, sure. We can just spell and Benin like normal based on the place, the location. Now we don't put Benin already. Okay. So put them, then come enter. We'll just end them for this one as the last one. Can say we'll put our if you find one name like that kind of Shakiri name, safe, you get me? Or Igalo safe. I don't even know where Igalo come from. That guy they play for Naija that year safe. Or for if you put Musa safe. Put Musa. I know say Musa will be a Musa person now. So now since we don't cover and finish now, we can't use waiting this semicolon to say, and if error they shall go tell us, then we can't debug. Okay, no mistake. So you say records 4 duplicates null, which is 0, so no one appear the same time, because you know, so we do one work accordingly to what would you use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You get me? Then one is no warnings. So as you see now, it means everything don't enter. So records now 4 records. Now we do it in. Now we enter. So 1, 2, 3 plus 4. This one now 1 record. Then this one again 2, 3 4. So now 4 records will enter. So make we see whether the thing will really enter inside the table. Remember saying a select statement. I dey use my this thing, my arrow key for my keyboard till they go back the up one, so that I will fit go back to the previous statement. Maybe say I enter the previous command instead of to come the type am again, make you no come the waste time. You get me? So now be this. I don't come back here to select all from football team. Select all the players. Show us all the record where they inside this football team table for our club. What we get for inside street school. So if I press enter now, she don't see now 1 Tunde, 2 Emeka, 3 Aisha, 4 Efusa, 5 Aowa, na winger, na from Hausa. This one midfielder. She see and it takes 0.09 seconds. If you look this one at 0.04 seconds, 0.07 seconds, and all that to take execute them. So 5 rules now. Automatically if you see 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So now here we will stop. For the next lesson, I will handle like say maybe you want to make changes. You remember say for the beginning that I tell you say SQL will allow you to add data, change and modify and do everything, delete and remove and all that. You get me? So now we don't add them, you don't save for our table. So the next lesson now we'll look on how we used to do it. Say I want change, maybe I make mistake for somewhere now I can't want change them. Now you know say person fit change from striker position. If you tell and say guy I beg as time they go we don't score one goal, I beg come defend, come they play defense. Or maybe currently now like now so I tell you now like Arsenal now the get time they can't get all their attackers can't get injury. What they can't do, they can't carry Merino and we say be midfielder. They play defensive midfielder, so itself can they play them as they are 9 as striker position. So automatically I say I fit change say okay this one Fusa now when be midfielder now can't change the position to waiting striker. So we'll look into that one for the next lesson. I will see you for that class. Okay, see you. Thank you.